In this video, we'll do a detailed comparison between Upwork and Fiverr. Enjoy! Upwork and Fiverr are both popular online platforms that connect freelancers with clients seeking various services, but they differ in certain aspects. Here's a comparison of Upwork versus Fiverr. Scope of services. Upwork offers a wide range of services across various categories, including web development, design, marketing, writing, administrative support, and more. It's known for its diverse pool of freelancers with professional skills. Fiverr initially focused on smaller, predefined tasks or gigs starting at $5 each. Fiverr has expanded its services but is still widely associated with smaller, quick jobs, though more comprehensive services are available. Freelancer Profiles. Upwork. Profiles on Upwork often showcase a freelancer's work history, portfolio skills, and client reviews. Clients can hire freelancers based on their expertise and previous projects. Fiverr. Profiles on Fiverr display a freelancer's offerings as gigs, showcasing services, pricing packages, and reviews. It's more product-oriented with standardized service offerings. Pricing and payments. Upwork offers hourly and fixed project prices. Clients are billed based on the hours worked or a negotiated project fee. Payments are processed through Upwork's platform and fees are charged on transactions. Fiverr typically services are more offered as packages with set prices, though custom offers can exist. Payments are made upfront and Fiverr takes a percentage of each transaction. Client interaction. Clients can directly communicate with freelancers, negotiate terms, and manage ongoing projects through the platform. Upwork provides tools for collaboration, time tracking, and milestone setting. Fiverr. Fiverr communication between clients and freelancers primarily occurs through Fiverr's messaging system. The platform facilitates interaction but might have fewer collaboration tools compared to Upwork. Quality and expertise. Upwork, known for attracting skilled professionals and agencies due to its vetting process and comprehensive profiles, which can lead to higher quality services for more complex projects. Fiverr offers a mix of services from basic to advanced, but may have a broader range of quality due to diversity of freelancers. Finding top-tier expertise might require more vetting on the client's end. Ease of use. Upwork can have a steeper learning curve due to its emphasis on professional freelancing and extensive project management tools. Fiverr is known for its user-friendly interface and straightforward process for purchasing services, making it easier for quick, smaller tasks. Ultimately, the choice between Upwork and Fiverr depends on the specific needs of the project, preferred pricing structure, desired level of freelancer expertise, and the scope of services required. Some clients may prefer one platform over the other based on these factors. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.